I'm going to show you my 3-step job sprint to learn web development fast and land your dream job in 2026. No fluff, just a tight plan you can start today. Step 1. Core skills in 8 weeks. Then a simple daily routine, just 90 focused minutes. Ready? Let's sprint. Pick one front-end stack and stick to it. HTML, CSS, modern JavaScript, React with Next.js, TypeScript, and Tailwind. Add a touch of Node with Express and PostgreSQL so you can ship full-stack features. Daily. 20 minutes reading MDN or roadmap.sh for concepts. Then 40 minutes code along with FreeCodeCamp or Scrimba. Next, 20 minutes rebuilding from memory. Finish with a 10-minute journal on what clicked. Weekly rhythm. Monthu learn. Fry build a tiny feature. Satship a mini app. Sunshare learnings on LinkedIn. Focus on the 80-20, components, state, fetching data, forms, auth basics, accessibility, and versatile deployment. Use AI as a co-pilot, not a chauffeur. Ask it to explain errors and generate tests, but type the real code yourself. You need 3 portfolio projects that say, "Hire me." Project 1. A SaaS-style dashboard. Users, charts, pagination, search, and dark mode. Project 2. A mini-store, cart, checkout flow, and Stripe in test mode. Project 3. A real-time chat or collaboration tool using WebSockets. Each project needs a live demo, a clean README with screenshots, a 60-90-second demo video, and a what, why, how case study. Ship 1 project per week. Week 4 is polish. Add tests, lighthouse performance, accessibility, mobile first, and a bug bash. Layer 1 niche edge for 2026. Accessibility first UI, performance budgets, core web vitals, input validation, OWASP awareness, or a simple Docker setup. Now turn projects into offers. 6 focused weeks. Optimize LinkedIn. Headline like front-end developer, React plus Next.js, built 3 production-grade apps, and a project-rich banner. Keep about to 1 punchy paragraph, add bullet highlights and demo links. On GitHub, pin the 3 projects, write concise commits, add issues, and a clear roadmap. Resume. 1 page, ATS optimized, React, TypeScript, Next.js, REST, Node, PostgreSQL, testing, accessibility, deployments. Daily 3 to do 1. 3 applications to roles your TOSM 70% qualified for. 2 targeted referrals with a 30-second rebuild video. 1 public post. Tech loop. Rebuild 1 feature under a timer. Narrate your thinking and write a small unit test. Behavioral loop. Star stories on debugging, learning fast, collaborating, and handling ambiguity. Do 20-30 minutes of practical challenges. Array ops, API calls, promises, and async await. Timeline, months 1 to 2 core skills, month 3 portfolio, months 4 to 5 job sprint and interviews, month 6 an advanced topic. Try Next.js server actions, Prisma, or testing with Playwright. Use free resources, MDN, FreeCodeCamp, Frontend Mentor, roadmap.sh, the YouTube audio library for your videos, and GitHub projects for tracking. Everything you need is free, and you can start tonight. Commit to 90 minutes a day. Build loudly, share weekly, ask for feedback, and iterate. By 2026, you won't just be job ready, you'll be undeniable. Ready? Save this, set a 90-minute timer, and sprint.